Hi, my name is Bill, and I'm going to be showing you today why it's important to keep up on maintenance with your dryer.
Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source.
The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So as you can see here, this is what a dryer that has no maintenance done with it looks like. This is from so many, who knows, maybe years, maybe a couple months. But this person had a lot of animals and stuff, as you can see from the fur and all that that's caught in the lint. But they just weren't taking care of their appliance, and you just want to make sure that this doesn't happen to you. So if you've got a lot of dust or something like that blowing it around, you want to make sure that you've got your seals all in working order, that they're not damaged. So this is really important if you do notice that there is a bunch of extra dust or something blowing out of your machine and into your laundry room. Or for example, if you go and you notice that there's a lot of dust actually blowing out from the outlet vent and outside, you want to check on your seals, because this right here is a huge fire hazard. And the worst thing that could happen is that you leave this unattended and you just go about doing your laundry and a fire starts. So make sure that you keep your dryer nice and clean and well maintained. So this right here is all a bunch of dust and lint. You can see it's all black inside of here. So these wires right here, if you can see them, if not, I'll just explain, but they go back in there and they're all coiled up, and that's basically where your heat comes from. That's your heat source. So this person had all this stuff in there, and they have no idea how close they were to probably having their house burned down. So as you can see here now, I've taken that top cover off. Again, this is our coil where we're going to get heat from. And this back here is a bunch more lint and dust that got burned up. So you can see that's really, really burned. I mean, that's crispy. That would have gone up into here, and that goes up through a little pipe into here, and this blows hot air onto your clothes. So potentially they could have had a giant fireball coming in and lighting up their clothes, starting that on fire and causing a chain reaction. Whatever's nearby would catch on fire too. So that's why it's important to maintain your dryer. If you notice something wrong with it, do something about it right away, because if you don't do something about it, you're going to be asking for trouble later on. So you can see from this garbage bag, almost full already, and I'm still not quite done yet. I've got all the big stuff out, but I'm still going to go through and clean it off with a damp paper towel and make sure I get as much of that dust out as I can. But just all this from one dryer. So you can see here now, our dryer is a lot cleaner, and hopefully when we go out and this goes back out into the world, it'll stay clean like this for a long time to come. Now we can turn our gas back on.
Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.